Hello and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today, I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison between V37 and V38 using a simple two-axis profiling option around this shape. Let's get straight to it. In both versions, we start the same way. We select our two-axis profile, we pick the geometry, we define the top and the bottom, and now here's where it becomes a big difference. In version 37 and all previous versions, once we moved forward, we would get this classic parameter window sitting on top of the machining process. But in V38, the machining guide is now located in our CAM tree. Notice that the reference images are no longer fixed on the right side. Now you simply hover your mouse over any parameter, and not only do you see the image, you'll also get a full explanation of what it does, pulled directly from our help system. It's like having a built-in training while you program. We're going to define the rough and finish paths, same as before. We're not using tabs, so we can skip those. Now, when we select the tool in V38, look at this. The toolpath is automatically displayed on the CAD screen. If I switch from a 1/4-inch tool to a 1/2-inch tool and recalculate, done. I see the change instantly. No going back, calculating, previewing, it's immediate. Let's move to side roughing. In V37, you could enter your side stepovers, but you don't see how it affects the toolpath until you recalculate. In V38, I just type the value in and I get to see it live. Want to try another or change tool size? Everything updates on screen as I modify. Now let's go to the lead in and lead out. Works the same in both versions, but again, in version 38, the changes appear instantly. Now for the finish pass. I apply the offset to the right, and change the corner style from radius to triangle. Watch this, I set it to a 1/4-inch, and the triangle corners appear immediately. In V37, I would have to change the parameters, calculate the toolpath, exit, view in the back plot, review it again, and then go back to it if I don't like it. In V38, I just change it and it's all on screen. If I want to run a back plot in V38, it's right here. No more jumping in and out of menus. Need more clearance? I adjust and it updates in real time. So can you do the same thing in version 37 and version 38? Of course, but the time it takes in version 37 versus version 38 is a completely different story. In V38, you don't keep closing, calculating, opening, and checking. Every change is visual as you make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you see the power of version 38 in action. Have a great day, and let me know what you'd like us to show next.